how we get on the ramp. All by ourselves. Off the ramp, on the trailer, to the house. But it's quite windy out here and choppy out on the main body. You know, everybody does it their own way. When I get up on my trailer, I lift my trim up, brings the front of my boat up a little bit, get lined up out here. I'm gonna move in slow. Can't notice, but I got my trim up, trying to front my boat up a little bit. I'm doing this one-handed right now, you guys can't tell. But I'll line it up, go straight up on it. And we're in. Good alignment there. Let's see what the alignment on the other side over here looks like. Bang! About even. Straighten up the motor. Trim up. I launch this ramp all the time, so I mean, I'm already high enough. Let's go check it out up here. Skeeter and this step down makes it so easy. And I am smack dab in the middle, as far up as you could possibly go. I'm gonna clip this over, hook on here, safety. Lock this up. There's nowhere to go. And we're in. Of course, the tons are going to pull it right out too.